Hi everyone, my name is C.H. Venugopal Reddy. I am working as an assistant professor in civil department. The fourth experiment is analysis of multi-story frame.
Now again you take a new structure. File name is analysis of file name is analysis of multi-story frame. Multi-story frame. Analysis of multi-story frame. This one is location where you want to store it. That this file you have to give the location. Units are metric units. Metric units means in meters. Meters or meters you have to. Now next is create. Create the structure. Create the structure. Again you start creating of the structure. Give first starting point is origin. Origin you have to create. That is this point is this node is 0 0. So you can see here the origin as x is 0, y is 0 and z is 0. So next point you have to give is again 3 meters. This is only example purpose. You can take any whatever what distance you want, whatever measurement you want, you can take. Next is this measurement will be taken from origin. Measurement will be taken from origin. Next is 6 meters. So two spans. Two spans. We have taken as two span frame. Now you copy these nodes. You copy these nodes and paste. Copy, paste. So first bay is height is 3 meters. You take 3 meter. Now again we go to the geometry and join these nodes. Join these nodes by beams. Join these nodes by beams. The view you can see it. This is isometry. Left view, front view. If you go isometric, is whatever we are seeing is isometric view. So multi-story means one more story. You take one more story. You copy this. Here you can see here in the geometry. Different are there. Translation repeat, mirror, circular repeat. Circular repeat, translation repeat means direct. Ordinary frame you can translate. You can repeat it. So different commands are there. You'll take it as translation repeat. First select it frame in the y direction. In the y direction. How many steps you want? 2 steps you take. And each step spacing is you take it as 3 meters. Multi-story frame. Multi-story frame. This is multi-story frame. Now again if you go to the front view, now you have to give the supports you have to give. Select the node cursor, select the select the nodes. First click the supports. First click the supports and create the supports. Generally, we'll take it as fixed supports. So select this again by holding Control button. Select the nodes using node cursor. Using node cursor, you select the nodes. Now assign to selected nodes. Assign to selected nodes. We are assigned select. We are assigned the nodes. Next, you go to the material properties. Material properties. Now you have to define the properties. Define material properties. Material is concrete. So you take all the only one property you take. You can use for columns one property and for beams other property as you wish. But we are here giving only one property, 0.3 and 0.23. I'm giving complete. I'm selecting. I'm giving the properties. Giving the properties assign. Yeah, I have given the properties. Next is loading. Next will be loading. You select the load phase details. And after that, you select new. Just click new. Load phase different object. Load phase object. You select load number one. Dead load. Dead load. Here in the title you write capital DL. Capital DL. Capital DL. Dead load is chosen. Add. Add self weight. First you have to select the self weight. Self weight of the beams. Y direction minus 1. Minus 1 means in the downward direction. You add it. You add it. Now select the self weight and apply to the whole structure. Apply to the whole structure. Apply to the whole structure. Assignment method assignment is selected to assign to selected beams. So assign it. Self weight is taken. Next again you choose the dead load. Dead load. You choose your load items will be coming. Load nodal load, member load, like that. Different loads are there. Whatever load you require, you have to choose and apply. Member load, uniform force, concentrator load, different loads are there. We are applying uniformly distributed load. No? So we selected uniform force. Selected uniform force. I selected uniform force. 5 kilonewton per meter. 5 kilonewton per meter. You have to. I am applying on all the frames. This 5 kilonewton per meter. You can select here by holding the control button to select. If you want to see in the isometric, you can see here. So we have selected all. We have selected. Generally, selection will be taken. Generally, selection will be taken in the front view. It will be easy for selecting. So now assign to the selected beams. Assign to the selected beams. We are considering only dead load. We can give live load also, and combination also we can use. Next is analysis. Analysis of the frame. Analysis of the frame. If you click the analysis, here you can see define commands. What you have to do is perform analysis. You have to do the perform analysis. So in this, check all so that it will print everything. Add. You add it. So analysis is completed. Analysis we have chosen. Next one is you have to run this program. You have given all the commands. You have to run this program. So you run it. So we have run this program. You can see the results here. In columns also we can see shear force. Shear force we can see. Bending moment we can see. Shear force, bending moment, shear force. Shear force is like this. Everything results will be seen. And in the utilities, you can see the output. Output also see. We can see. Output also you can see. External intel joint summary. What are the loads that will be coming in the output? Here in the utilities, one more is there. That is command file. Whatever commands you are giving, that will be whatever commands we are giving, that will be in the command file. So you can see command file. You can see everything in the command file. You can change directly also. You can change directly also. This is command file. So this is the analysis of multi-story frame. Whatever you have seen is analysis of multi-story frame.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.